So, in today's vid, I'm going to show the exact roadmap to become a hacker in 2026. First, we have to clear the mindset. If you've already saw someone generating thousands of bucks on TikTok by doing a simple bug bounty, then you're out of the race. That kid probably spent 3 years failing before that one click. You're watching the highlight reel, not the moments of crying over broken code. Now back to the topic. Step 1, download Linux, not Windows, not Mac. Start with Ubuntu or straight up Kali. You can run it on a VM if you're not ready to commit, or just dual boot your Windows and Linux. Link in description. Your first week is just gonna be you fighting your own computer because Wi-Fi drivers don't work or the terminal throws errors you've never seen before. That's not a bug, that's your initiation. Step 2, YouTube. Forget hacking tools for now. Learn how to move around, create files, delete things, change permissions. If you can navigate the terminal blindfolded, no tool will save you. Step 3, basics of networking. What's an IP address? What's the port? How does HTTP work? What's a TCP handshake? Wireshark is your best friend here. The struggle, you'll Google what is port 443 like 8 times. Step 4, pick one tool and get annoyingly good at it. Don't install everything at once. Pick Nmap for scanning or Burp Suite for web or Metasploit for exploitation. Master it. Most people quit here because they get overwhelmed by tool choices. Step 5, start hacking legally. Head to Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, or Portsfigure Academy. These are your gyms. Start with easy machines. Step 6, learn basic programming, Python, just Python. You don't need to build apps, you need to automate scans, write small scripts, and understand what code looks like so you can spot bugs. Step 7, specialized web hacking, cloud, mobile. Reverse engineering, pick one and go deep. You can't be good at everything. The smart move, follow what actually excites you because this journey is too long to fake interest. Step 8, practice on real targets, bug bounty platforms like HackerOne or Integrity. Start with low-hanging fruit. Find a broken link, a leaked secret, a basic IDOR. The first time you submit a report and it gets accepted. Even for $0, that feeling is better than any TikTok clout. Step 9, build your workflow. Stop running commands manually. Write your own recon scripts, automate the boring stuff. Use tools like Bash or Python to make yourself faster. Step 10, stay consistent and ignore the noise. You will feel lost, you will take breaks, you will see other people winning and feel behind. Doesn't matter, show up 3 times a week, learn one new thing, break one thing, fix it, repeat. That's the roadmap. No magic course, no shortcut. Just Linux, terminal, networking, one tool at a time, labs, Python, specialization, real targets, automation, and consistency. Now stop overthinking and go install Linux. Also, don't forget to subscribe.